These are papaya. Little papayas growing on the tree.
Oh.
Here's a juvenile soursop tree. There's another one in the back there where we first started planting some shots. So this plant here is the Hawaiian chili pepper, which is amazing. I love it. Has good heat on it. Not sure how many Scoville units, but not too bad because I could eat a couple of them. And this is going to be me eating one now. Baby stuff. Let me show you how it's done. A red, a couple oranges. So here we got some Hawaiian chili pepper. You know, jump in there. Just jump in. Mmm. Feel alive. I feel alive. Beautiful, beautiful terraces, ponds, terraces. Nathan's got some resident ducks here. Beautiful koi ponds. Look at the size of these koi fish here. You can get my hands, get some scale on those things. These are big buggers right here. Beautiful koi pond. 2, 3, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, about 10 koi fish. Phenomenal. I think I saw one here.
Here's a nice one here. Pick this one. You can get that one.
I got it. Look at this beautiful strawberry here. Look at that. Mmm.
This is the first thing we grew here, strawberry.
So Nathan here is going to now hang the banana that we fell. And so Nathan, explain. So you hang this and then what?
Basically with the bananas that we cut down, Trip dropped it, and the top part is ripe already, so it's good to come down, but the bottom part is still green. So if we hang it up over the next couple of days, they'll all turn yellow.
So Nathan here is picking some watercress for tonight's dinner actually. We're gonna have a nice family dinner. Oahu Spring Watercress. Yeah. Check that site out, guys, also, that channel. The Instagram page will also be on that link there. Thanks, guys, for watching. Thank you, Nathan, for having us. Oahu Spring Watercress.
Yeah.
And guys, just keep watching and follow both of us, and to learn more things and to be self-sufficient and be healthy. Thank you.
The younger looking one, kind of on the